Hey guys, assalamu alaikum, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to get crunchy KFC style fried chicken, which is so delicious. Hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get started. So first we'll need 2 packets of noodle, which we need only the spice inside. We're not going to use the noodle, we just need the spices inside. And chicken 500 gram. We're going to add in this bowl also soy sauce, tomato sauce, ginger garlic paste, salt and black pepper, and also the noodle sachet, which is 2 of them. And guys, the noodle spice must be chicken flavor, not any other flavors, okay? Now I'm going to mix everything well and dip the chicken pieces. My chicken is already clean, I wash it, and make sure it doesn't have so much water as well. You have to dry all the water. And yeah, give a good mix and make sure the chicken is well saturated with the spice that we mix together. Marinate the chicken for about 1 hour. Now we're going to mix the dry ingredient, which is going to be 1 cup of plain flour, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, turmeric powder about half teaspoon. This is garlic powder, salt, chicken spice 2 tablespoons, and also some chili powder. Guys, so it's after 1 hour. I already beat my 2 eggs, and now I'm going to dip the chicken into the flour which we mix with spices. Then you dip in the eggs, bringing back in the flour one more time and dip it. Then it's going to be ready to fry. So guys, when you're done, just fry your chicken same time, not the way I'm doing. This is not good idea. I wasn't having enough space, so I decided to keep it in the plate until I finish, but it's not good idea, you guys. So now my oil is hot. I'm going to fry for about 10 minutes. For best result, I like to bake my chicken after frying it to make sure it's well done from the inside as well, because sometimes even if you buy from KFC, the chicken is not well done inside and I don't really like it. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm going to bake in 108 degree for about 10 minutes. Okay, our chicken is done. As you can see, it's nice and crispy and it's well done as well. That's what I like. So that's it, guys. If you did like this video, don't forget to give your sister a thumbs up, share this video with the family and friends, and comment down below and share your ideas. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Allah Hafiz. Take care.